Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to paint simple designs on a wall. The materials required are acrylic paint. Here I'm using Fevicryl acrylic paint and some brushes. The colors which I'm using are neon colors, pink, dark blue, white, black and chrome yellow. You can mix primary colors and get secondary colors. For example, if you mix yellow with pink will give you orange. Pink and blue will give you purple. If you mix yellow with blue, you will get green color. Using a paintbrush, draw the desired shape and then color it. You can design some geometrical shapes, leaf, flowers, some animals, etc. These are some of the designs that I have made. Allow it to dry completely before you proceed on. Draw some different designs using a pencil and then take black paint and outline the design. This is how it looks after completing. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.